warmer than that. Taking a look at the temperatures that we are currently seeing around the valley, we have 86 in Boulder City, 89 downtown, 88 in Las Vegas and Henderson, 84 at Red Rock currently, and 79 at Blue Diamond. Winds have been very light throughout the day today, and we're not expecting any strong wind gusts, even though we have a system that is coming our way. A minor system is moving forward. It's very slowly sinking towards the south. This is going to give us an increase in clouds for us here in the valley this evening, and we could see a little bit of moisture over our local mountains. As we head into tomorrow afternoon, though, that system is gone, and we'll start to see high pressure building again. The dry, warm offshore flow will continue, so for tomorrow afternoon, temperatures will stay very much like we saw today around the valley, upper 80s and low 90s for the most part. Now, by Wednesday, skies will clear out, and that ridge will really take shape once again, so it keeps our temperatures above the seasonal average for this time of year until the end of the week. All eyes on this upper level low system moving through the Midwest. Very slow moving, as you can see. Lots of thunderstorms